Good afternoon students, and welcome to today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will be dealing with a very important topic of asexual reproduction called as the regeneration. Now, in unicellular organisms as well as simple multicellular organisms, when they got cut accidentally into parts, each part grows back into a full new organism, and this process is called as the process of regeneration. So the regeneration process can be defined as the process of getting back a full organism from its body parts is called as the process of regeneration. The process of regeneration takes place in hydra and a simple freshwater organism called as the planaria. So today we will be dealing how the process of regeneration takes place. So planaria is actually a freshwater aquatic organism. When it somehow accidentally got cut into three parts, then each part develops into a full new organism. The process of regeneration takes place on simple multicellular organisms. Why? Because in complex multicellular organisms, the organism is made up of different levels of tissues. Cells, they make up the tissues, tissues make up the organs make up the organ system, and finally the organ system makes up the organism. But in simple organisms, this procedure is not followed. That's why the process of regeneration takes place only in simple unicellular and simple multicellular organisms. Now we will be dealing with another asexual reproduction method, which is called as the fragmentation. What happens? Some of the simple multicellular organisms upon maturing just split or divides or breaks into two or more pieces, and each of the piece it grows into a full organism, and this process is called as fragmentation. So the process of fragmentation can be defined as the breaking up of the body of a simple multicellular organism into two or more pieces on maturing, each of which finally grows to form a complete new organism is called fragmentation. This process of fragmentation usually takes place in Spirogyra. What happens? Spirogyra, when it develops fully to a mature adult, the fragment, it breaks up into two or more pieces, and these two or three pieces finally grows to form a new individual. Now we have seen that the process of fission also takes place upon dividing or splitting, and the process of fragmentation also takes place by splitting only. So what is the basic difference between these two? Actually, the process of fission takes place in simple unicellular organisms, while the process of fragmentation, it takes place in simple multicellular organisms. Also, there is a basic difference between the process of fragmentation and regeneration. In regeneration, the organism gets split accidentally, while in fragmentation, the organism splits up on maturing by its own. So this was all about these two topics. I hope this video was a help to you. Thanks for watching this video. Share the video, subscribe the channel, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.